Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make TikTok viral nature cereal. A lot of people try this recipe and say, oh my gosh, this is delicious, this is a must try. So today I'm going to show you how to put all the ingredients together, and also I'm going to give it a try and give you my first impression. But first, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And now if you're ready to learn how to make TikTok viral nature cereal, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our delicious nature cereal, we're gonna need some pomegranate seed. We're gonna also need some cut and clean strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. We're gonna use some fresh coconut water, and we're also gonna need some ice. Okay, so to start, we're gonna use a medium bowl and add in our pomegranate seed, strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, ice, and we're gonna add in our coconut water right in our bowl. So for this recipe, we don't really need any measurement, so you add everything as you like. So we're gonna give it a mix. Okay, so we have our nature cereal ready to go, so let's go for the tasting. Wow, my first impression when I tried this nature cereal, I can say it's very refreshing. And also the coconut water really pair all the ingredients together. And I also understand the reason why they put the pomegranate in it. The pomegranate is a key player in this recipe. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box below for you to also give it a try and give me your impression. So this is it for our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And also if you're new on my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a new and fresh video. Peace.